Hello and welcome to the Cyber One YouTube channel. My name is Ray, and in this video we will be unboxing a full wave operation ultrasonic cleaner. This is something that I picked up from the Aldi supermarket when I was wandering through, costing at around the $35 mark. So let's see what we get. So we've got a manual. Looks to be fairly simple in operation. Lots of safety warnings. Lots of safety warnings. Alright, so something of importance is don't stick your hands in it when it's running. It can do damage to skin and bone. So they recommend using water. Best not to use detergents, but if you do, use them very diluted with water. So pretty much standard. It's a 50 watt unit running at 46 kilohertz. So let's pull it out of the box and see what we get. It's everything out of the box. Okay, so the lid is clear, so you can see what's going on inside. Has a max fill line, so we know how far to fill it to, maximum. I guess that would be for holding things like rings. This is for holding CDs and DVDs. And a basket for holding miscellaneous parts. Okay. Whoops. Just plugging this out. Okay, so 3 minutes, 180 seconds, 300 seconds for 5 minutes, 480 seconds for 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 600 seconds, and back around to 90, so a minute and a half. have a simple on and off button on the front. So I'm just going to get some water and put in it, and we'll see how it goes. Okay. Just got a pair of tweezers that are starting to get a little grotty, so we'll give them a clean and see how they go. I've set it for 90 seconds. Actually, make it 180. Okay, so it's making an interesting noise. I'll just turn off noise suppression so you can hear it. Alright, so it is making a noise. It is a high-pitched noise. I can see well, you can see in the video that it's the top's rippling. And the manual, they do recommend to leave it 5 minutes between cleaning cycles. So if you're cleaning multiple things, they suggest giving it a break. I'm going to fast forward through this bit, and we'll come back as soon as it's finished. Okay, so that's just finished on its timer, turned itself off. So according to the manual, you're pressing the on button turns it on. You can stop it prematurely by pressing the off button. Otherwise it turns itself off at the end of the time. It's actually warmed the water up quite a bit. A lot of the marks that were on the outside of this have now gone, so it has actually cleaned it. The marks that were on it were from flux when soldering. So yeah, it does appear to work. The controls are very simple. You could see during the operation the top was starting to fog up, probably the ultrasonic creating a mist on the top, and that was gathering on the inside of the lid. So very easy to use, very few controls to worry about. They do say don't put your hand in it while it's operating. And we'll be able to trial this with a few small PCBs in the near future. So that'll do for this video. Don't forget to click on subscribe, ring that notification bell. If you enjoy these videos, click on the like, and we will see you in the next video.